Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of zoology class. In this class, I am going to teach about the another important topic, sexually transmitted diseases. One advice to you all should write everything in your classwork note. It is better for your future use. So don't forget, all of you write everything what we are teaching in your classwork note, because of nowadays you have no any textbook in your hand, so it is better to write what you are teaching in your classwork note. So in this class I am going to teach about the sexually transmitted diseases. That means the disease that are transmitted from one person to another person, or from the infected person to the another person through the sexual mode. This is called or through the reproductive organs. This is called sexually transmitted diseases. This sexually transmitted diseases may called by another name that are venereal diseases. Venereal disease also considered as sexually transmitted. It is another name of STD. Venereal diseases are reproductive tract infection or sexually transmitted infection. These are the other names for STD or sexually transmitted diseases. So what type of peoples easily affected by this type of diseases? The people in the age of 15 to 24 years are easily affected by this infection. Because of this age group, this adolescent group, this group have more hormonal changes. Due to the hormonal changes, they may involve in the illegal activities, and through this way the disease may be easily infect the adolescent age group. A sexually transmitted disease may be caused by either bacteria or fungi or protozoan or parasite. Some diseases may be transmitted from infected person to non-infected person by a virus. So virus is also one of the causative agent for sexually transmitted diseases. If the sexually transmitted disease caused by a bacteria or fungi or protozoan or parasite can be treated. The medical facilities also available to treat the sexually transmitted disease that are caused by the bacteria or fungi or protozoan or parasite. Some antibiotics also helps to treat the diseases, or some other medical facilities also helps to treat these diseases. But if the disease caused by a viruses cannot be treated. But how to cure this type of diseases? The doctor tried to reduce the transmission, or some medicine may helps to reduce the symptoms, or the treatment may cure the symptoms. So viral sexually transmitted diseases is uncurable. And another one barrier method also helps to transmission of these diseases, that is latex condoms. This latex condoms normally used by male and female. These condoms prevent the transmission of this bacteria or viruses from the infected person to non-infected person during the coitus. Okay, these are the some important points you have to remember in this part, introduction part of sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, and how to avoid or how to prevent the sexually transmitted diseases? First, avoid the sex with unknown partner or a multiple partner. Suppose if the person infected by the diseases, means the person should avoid the sexual contact with the infected person, or should avoid the sexual contact from the unknown person or a multiple partner. This is one of the way to prevent the sexually transmitted diseases. And next one is always use condoms during the coitus. Already I was explained that condoms is a physical barrier which prevent the transmission of sexually transmitted diseases. Normally it is used for used as a contraceptive device. That means it prevent the ejaculation of or insemination of sperm into the female reproductive tract. So due to the thickness, it also prevent the transmission of the sexually transmitted diseases also. First method, person should avoid the sex with the unknown partner or a multiple partner. And second method is always use condoms to transmission of diseases. And third one is in case of any doubt or in case of any symptoms appears, go to qualified doctor for a early detection. If the disease detected earlier, it may help to treat easily. So if there is any symptoms appears in the reproductive tract, may consult the doctor. And fourth one is get complete treatment if diagnosis with the disease. If the disease is diagnosed by the doctors, and get a complete treatment. These are the way to avoid the or prevent the sexually transmitted diseases. Introduction part is over. Next class onwards, I am going to explain the bacterial diseases, viral diseases, what are the disease or what are the sexually transmitted diseases transmitted through the viruses or caused by the viruses or bacteria and fungus. Thank you.